Hi everybody! Today I'm going to make a DIY crown using dowel sticks at different measurements. I will list the measurements on the screen as well as in the description of the video. So for now, we're going to get started. As you can see, I have my pieces laid out. I have them measured at the longest one being 10 inches. The two next to it, 8.5, 7 inches, 6.5 inches, and then 4.5 inches. Okay, and you can change those sizes as much or as little as you want. You can add more. You can put less. You could add zip ties, string, maybe strings of pearls or beads. It's really up to you what you want to see on there. I do have a couple ideas that I will be showing you. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is paint these little pieces of wood. We're going to paint them white first, and then we're going to go in and paint them with gold. Now that I have completed painting all my pieces, it's a little bit rough. You can always go over with spray paint and things like that. I found these wooden beads that I also painted gold, so I can make it a little more visually interesting. So I'm going to show you how I do that once my hot glue finishes heating up. But this is our headband. So we're going to glue these right on here. We're going to figure out where we want our pieces to go. Okay, so that's kind of how it's going to look. Alrighty. Alrighty, and this is what it looks like after I hot glued. You can use E6000 or anything else. You can wrap this part with ribbon, but as you can see, the hot glue allows it to be really flexible. And that's kind of what we want for a headband. Again, I painted these, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with it. And if you put it on without glue first, you can pick out where you'd like it. I like it about right there, and I'm gonna just put a little dabble of glue and let it slide down and settle. Yep. So I'm gonna do that as well and go on from there. Here's the finished crown, and like I said, you can alter it any way you want, keep it the same, and I hope you enjoyed this craft. And I hope you enjoy making it even more. Have a good day.
Thanks for watching. If you want even more fantastic content, check out our Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube at CMC Library.